This model kit review is of the Sopwith Camel, and it's a 1/48 scale model. It's a very small little box because it was a very small little plane. And this is by Aurora, so this is a really old kit. It's got a nice picture of the finished model. Here's some other pictures. It's a cute little plane. They've done all the rigging there, so they really went to town on this. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, here we have this one little piece left in the sprue. Here we have our two struts for the wings. We've got some flashing, as you can see, and some mold lines. Empty sprue there, and another empty sprue there. Here we have our wings. So this looks like this is part of the upper wing. It's got the areas for the struts over there. This is for the lower wing, and the struts come in over there. Reasonable molding, not a lot of detail. It is an older Aurora kit. Here is the inside. This is a mold from 1975. Not a lot of detail there in the inside of the cockpit. Here is our fuselage, which is okay. Here's our stabilizer and elevator. Also, some details on there. Tail. Oh, ejector pin needs to get filled and sanded. We have these two wheels. Here's our propeller. Here's our engine cowl. A lot of little pieces in here. This is part of our landing gear. We have a pilot with his goggles. Big ejector pin marking there. Here's our radial engine with some detail on it. And our seat. And we have all the additional struts. Here's our instrument panel. And it's probably the gun. And the rest of these little pieces here. Okay, our decals are over here. These are really old. They're kind of yellowed out a little bit. We'll have to see what they look like when they get wet as to whether you can still use them. But, you know, it will actually give you a nice older look to the model because these are old planes. Here's our instruction guide. We start off with putting the fuselage together with the engine and guns. Next we put the wings on. We put on the landing gear. And then we do the rigging. There's bracing there. And the wing bracing. Here's our decal and painting guide. Captain Roy Brown and Major William Barker. Those are the two options. So all in all, this will be a cute little model, but molding quality is not that great.